Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the makeup brushes and tools that I have in my makeup artist purse. Like when I'm stepping out the door, I always have those brushes in this bag because together with my makeup products, they help me like throw on good makeup, blend it out properly and all of that good stuff. Now if you want to see the brushes and the tool that I have in this purse, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. I recreated this face beat using the makeup tools and brushes and makeup products in my makeup artist purse. Okay, so what brushes do I have here? The most important thing you will need is a beauty sponge, and I have this beauty sponge right here from Didi Beauty. I love this beauty sponge, and I always have it in rotation at any single point in time. Very good, very useful. Always make sure you wash it after every use because I use this for multiple things, so always ensure it is washed as soon as I get back home. That's the only thing. The next brushes I have right here are more like face brushes. I have this Morphe M438. Any brush basically that has like a tapered point like this, I use it to sweep out powder and set underneath my eye. And then I have a face brush, a powder brush. This one changes. I sometimes I use the Morphe brush. I'll leave the name right here. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use any of my Vicabel brushes. It depends on whichever one like my hand just reaches because I have so many brushes. I use this to set all over my face with a pressed powder. That is the third item, second brush. And then I have my eye brushes. I have this Morphe M433 blending brush. I just used to throw in bronzer in my crease. I have this my Bobbi Brown concealer brush. I used to, apply concealer to neaten up underneath my eyebrows. Sometimes maybe if I have like little smudging, I use it with face powder to like take off the smudge. And then I have this e.l.f. smudge brush that I just used to smudge the top and bottom lash just to give you that black sultry look, if I would say so. So those are just the 5 brushes and 1 tool. Today is really busy. Sorry guys, the road is really busy today. 5 brushes and 1 tool that I always have in this my brush bag. So once I take this bag, I have my other products because I have 2 of these bags. So as I'm saying now, I want to show you guys, I have my makeup products here and I have my brushes here. These purses, I think they came with the Vicabel brush set, some Vicabel brush sets I bought. So I just have these 2. So as I'm going out, I have like a bag I typically carry. I just throw them in it because they're always packed. Women and mothers, we're always in a rush. So wherever I get to, once I'm calm, I have a little bit more time, I just take 10-15 minutes, I throw on this face like this, brush my hair, or just put some activator on my low cut hair, and I look put together and nobody will think that I left the house looking like like a homeless person. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.